Hey guys, this is Joe here in Northern Arkansas, and today we're going to be talking about a really cool feature on the FD2s that we improved on in comparison to the FD1, so let's get into it. So right here, we have these two little grease certs that have a decal that says, make sure to grease it one pump every 50 hours. So where those grease certs go to is all the way down here. You can see a grease line going to the auger pivots. This is a really cool improvement that we did over the FD1s. And on the FD2, what we did is made it easier for you guys to grease it right here. So you don't even have to disconnect it from the combine anymore. You cannot over grease these pivots, which is a really cool feature. So we're gonna walk over here to an FD1 and see in comparison to what it looked like before. So now that we walked over here to this FD1, we can see in comparison that auger pivot right here has a little greaser on the top of it. But if you have a combine where I'm standing right here, it's almost impossible to get to unless you crawl all the way through the machine and get to it. So it's easy to forget. So make sure if you have any older equipment, FD1, 75s, 70s, so on and so forth, that you grease those so they don't seize up on you. And on the FD2s, just make sure that those grease lines stay in good shape so that you're always getting grease to them. Have a great day, y'all.